Hello, this is Carl Hessian from XBM, a Valiantis company, here with our second video on Confluence basics really fast. Our second topic is getting around Confluence Cloud, which is a quick user interface walkthrough. I'm going to start at the top left and work my way across the buttons at the top so you know how to navigate it. Starting with the waffle button on the top left, this is where you go to switch between the different products your instance has with Atlassian, so Jira, Confluence, etc. And just know that with cloud, you are in all of your cloud sites at once. So if you are subscribed to multiple cloud sites, they're on the left. And then within each of those, you have your list of products each of those sites has. That can lead to some confusion until you get used to it. So just know that there are layers. They're like an onion. The Confluence button just takes you back to the home page. Same as hitting home. The recent button. Under here is where you can see everything you've recently looked at, worked on, created, starred by hitting that favorite star right there on any page, and then your drafts. A little edge, I think, over Data Center Confluence is that you can get to your drafts a little easier here. Spaces. You have to click on View All Spaces to actually see all of them. You're only shown the ones you've actually been in recently. So you can view all spaces by hitting that button. If you have permission to do so, you can create a space as well from there. Teams, you can make a group of people and name them as a team. And if you mention that team, you would then send everyone in that group a notification for collaboration very quickly. Apps, it's where you go to manage the apps. If you have permission to do so. Templates, this is where you can preview the different templates that you can use for creating content in Confluence. And then if you like some of them, you can star them. If you do star one of the templates, you then create a filter at the top here. It'll say starred. Right now it's not there because I haven't starred anything, but I hit it. And then the starred filter there shows up. And so then if you don't like having a list of 130 some templates that you have to scroll through every time, you can star the ones you like and then hit the starred button. And then only those ones show up when you are making a new page in Confluence. So nice little trick there. The create button is where you go to make a page, whiteboard, database, blog, or smart link. These are all different types of pages in Confluence. The most common one, of course, is a page, but just know that when you're referring to a page in Confluence, it could be any of these. You don't have this. This is just how many days I have left on my premium trial on my test site. So I'm just calling it out so it doesn't bother you. The search bar, you can search by Atlassian product. So this is wonderfully convenient, but of course it can lead to problems where if you are searching on Jira without realizing it and you're trying to find a Confluence page, you might get frustrated. So make sure that you're on Confluence if you want to search for Confluence things, on Jira if you want to search for Jira things, etc. It's a great tool. Helps you find things very quickly. You can, even if you have AI enabled, you can ask AI to find things for you. Notifications, you get your notifications across all the cloud sites you have access to all at once. So that's one reason why I'm going to show you how to take control of some of those notifications. The help button brings you to the Atlassian community. It also shows you the keyboard shortcuts. I don't use too many of these, but the edit one that I'll show you later I use all the time. But just know these are here waiting for you whenever you want to get a little faster with your work. Finally, if you're an admin, you get the admin settings. And then here on your profile on the top right, this is where you can add your profile picture and a bunch of other things. If you have things assigned to you, you can find them under tasks. If you need to set your time zone correctly, you do that under profile. But what we're going to do is go to personal settings because we're going to take control of some notifications here. I just slide this little bar over. I'm going to click the email menu here on my personal settings. And then it looks like, I think I need to get rid of the help button here, but it doesn't look like I can actually do anything with these settings here, but I can. I just have to hit this edit button first, and then all the options become available. I've already unsubscribed to myself from all of these things. When you are first in a Confluence site, you are signed up for all of these things. So if you don't want the Daily Digest email, you can turn that off. With all these different settings. Most of these are automatically turned on, so you can make Confluence a lot quieter by turning these off. And then when you make some changes, you hit the submit button, and then you will be receiving fewer emails from Confluence, which everyone likes. That's all for this one. Thanks, and I hope that this was helpful.